We're going to start by making slip stitch. Next I do 11 chains. Skips the first stream. Next time, make the single crochet. Now I will continue making one single crochet for each base current. This way, we will take a total of 10 points. Ready? We finish the first row. I make a chain. I turn the piece. Let's start the second row. And here we go to work on a single crochet for each point on the base until the end. Soon we are finalizing the second row. And let's continue, repeating 10 single crochet, being 1 point to each point on the base. To career number 5. Ready staff. I finish the 5 rows here. I make a chain, I become work, and I keep making 5 single crochet, 1 point for each point. Next, I will make a chain. I turn the piece and keep working a single crochet for each point on the base until the end of the career. Here we are going to make 5 rows, containing 5 single crochet each. So let's go to work. That way up to row number 10. Ready staff. I finished the 5 rows here with 5 single crochet. Now let's do the finishing with the tapestry needle. After finishing this finish, we are going to work another piece just like this. Only, you don't have to cut the wire that's coming from the skein. In the second piece, Ready staff. I finished my second piece here, and now we're going to unite. These two pieces, I will put one on top of the other. This way. Then I insert the needle back to front on that first point and pass this strap inside the needle, and I go through the inside of the two parts. Now I make a chain. I insert the needle into these same points, picking up the two handles, and here I will work. One single crochet. I go to the next point. Insert the needle into both parts and make a single crochet. Here we will circulate the whole piece. With single crochet, I will leave only a small space before the end to place the filling that I will use silicone synthetic fiber. Ready staff. So here I checked with single crochet. And now I will put one little stuffing here inside my piece. After I will follow, ending with single crochet. To do the final finish, I will introduce the needle here at the first point. Make a slip stitch, a chain in the next point. Make a slip stitch, make a gully, and a slip stitch. And that way, I'll go all the way around, without forgetting any single crochet of the base, always making a gully. To finalize, finish off the leftovers with tapestry needle. Finally, just put the keychain zipper on. You can sew or use a mini carabiner. This is the result of our crochet piece today. A super simple and fast heart keychain.